The house is named as Omkaram by the client before starting the design itself. Omkaram is conceived as a spatial necklace where individual volumes are articulated as beads threaded along a continuous axis of circulation. Myself, architect Surya Prashant. I run a studio named Mudbrick since 2010. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Omkaram in Thrissur. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. I always feel that we believe in design rooted in the context. The site is located in the temple town of Irinjalakuda, which is very close to Thrissur. And Irinjalakuda is quite famous for Kudalmanikam temple. So the client wanted this particular location because of the vicinity and proximity of the temple. So it was a western facing site, and there were two more other roads on the northern and the southern area. But we have chosen the western side for the pedestrian entry. The small Padipura, which is influenced from the typical traditional architecture of Kerala, but it is covered with a concrete slab over it, and the Pumukham, which is located very adjacent to the main Padipura, and it can be used as a seating and a relaxation spot, a slope towards the seating so that wind and the water can be drained off easily. When you enter into the house, on the northern side of the passage is the main living space, which is flanked by two courtyards. One is a skylighted courtyard where direct sunlight comes in, and the other one is a courtyard where all rain, all the seasons can be experienced through a sliding window from the living room. Since the living area is a double height space, it is easy to have a view from the upper office space. This is the connecting spine of the whole house, where the residence connects vertically and horizontally. Family space is located just behind the living room, but which is separated by a exposed brick wall, and it has an access to the koi fish pond, which is on the northern side, and has a ramp access from outside. This connecting space leads to the main master bedroom, which is located one wall behind the living area. And at the same time, when you enter into the master bedroom, you have a seating space which is arranged adjacent to the open courtyard. The public, private and semi-public spaces, which is arranged in such a way that a central spine is going throughout the house and which connects to the dining space, and which connects to an open courtyard which is located in the east. This guiding metaphor of beads on a string is manifested through a series of programmatic notes: living, dining, puja, courtyard and bedrooms, interwoven by transitional thresholds that negotiate openness, privacy and ritual. This is the most important part of the house, the puja room, where the client wanted it to be in a very private space. So what we did was we designed a jali, which was also again crafted by the local craftsmen of Kerala, and a kitchen in the southeast. Staircase and a lift well has been kept on the southern side. And this staircase acts as a typical artifact or an art form. And the workmanship of the staircase is being done with many intricate details. And many traditional carpenters and craftsmen have worked for the making of the stairs. This sculptural staircase is set against a fair-faced exposed concrete wall, punctuated with circular recesses finished in wooden covers. When you climb up to the first floor, you can see a workspace and a yoga balcony just adjacent to the workspace, which is facing the northern side. Well lighted throughout the day because of the indirect connection to the living area. There is a L-shaped window seating very adjacent to the open courtyard, and the whole family sit and enjoy their family time during the seasons. Above the master bedroom, we have their daughter's room. And there is a guest bedroom is also located above the grandparents' room. When the client first came to meet me, she had only very few specific requirements. And in that, this Athangudi tile was one among them. So what we did was, we found a Athangudi family where the whole family, the parents and the kids were into this tile manufacturing. And they manufactured the tile, they made the tile there, they came to our place, stayed here for a week and did the whole flooring. She wanted a touch of tradition, but she didn't want to use wood. So we were in a dilemma what to do. And we came up with a solution where we used granite architraves around the doors and windows, where we could arrest the water seepage and the termite attack from the wall, and then we fixed the wooden joineries into the stone architrave. Being an architect, I always believe that we should promote the craftsmen and the traditional knowledge systems around. A good home where the client is happy after we doing all this hard work. If they are happy and each day morning when they wake up, if they think of you, then that is the success of the project. I believe that way.